The stadium property is right there. This is something that all PWL teams are going to come together, build, add their own little thing to it. It's going to be a fun place to be come 2021.
It's going to take a lot of time and effort, but it's going to be worth it. It'll be an epic stadium.
Hey, this is an exciting time for PWL. About to start work on a new stadium. It's going to look good when it's finished.
My thoughts are it's going to be one heck of a project, but we'll get there.
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Woohoo! All right, we need to get a little piece of this